Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Destination of Flavor.
Puchka, pani puri or golgappa is a type of snack that originated in the Indian subcontinent and is one of the most common street foods in India and Bangladesh. Today I am going to share the Bengal special puchka recipe with potato mix and sweet and sour tamarind water and also the secret masala mix. So first of all, I am going to share the secret masala mix for potato stuffing and sweet and sour tamarind water. Dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds and dry red chilies for 3 to 4 minutes until it releases its aroma. Now put into a plate and cool completely. Put into a mixer grinder and grind to a coarse powder. Secret masala mix is ready and keep aside. Let's check out the potato mix for puchka stuffing. Take a mixing bowl, add boiled potatoes, salt to taste, add rock salt or kala namak as per your taste. Boiled white peas or matar, boiled black chana, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, chopped fresh coriander leaves, and add prepared secret masala mix. Mix properly. Potato mix is ready and keep aside. Let's check out sweet and sour tamarind water preparation. Take a mixing bowl, add tamarind pulp and mix with water as required. Add jaggery or gur and mix well. Add water if required. Mix well. Add salt to taste and rock salt or kala namak as per your taste. Add lemon juice. Add prepared secret masala mix and some chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Finally add some lemon slices into the water. Aromatic sweet and sour tamarind water is ready and keep aside. Let's start with first method of puchka or golgappa preparation. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of fine suji or semolina and 2 tablespoons of maida. Add 3 tablespoons of white oil, and mix properly. Add 1 cup of hot water gradually and knead to a soft dough. Cover with a damp cloth and rest the dough for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, knead again. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons hot water if required. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes. Make some equal portions from the dough. To protect the dough from dryness, keep it covered till end. Take a portion from the dough and roll to a large circle without any oil or flour. Place a round shaped katori or cookie cutter and cut some circles from it. If the circles seem too thick, then roll again and thickness of the circle is 1 to 1.5 millimeters. It should be rolled uniformly. Arrange the circles into a plate and cover with dry cloth. Put the downside of fuchka's circles into the hot oil and slightly press them with the back of ladle. They will immediately puff up. Flip them and let it puff. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame until golden brown. Continue adding golgappas in the hot oil and flipping. Take out into a strainer and don't keep the golgappas into tissues or plate. Once the golgappas are completely cool, then put into an airtight container and store. Otherwise, golgappas are become soggy. Let's start the second method of fuchka or golgappas preparation. In a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup fine semolina or suji. Add half cup of maida, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix properly. Add 1 cup of hot water gradually. And knead into a soft dough. Cover with a damp cloth and rest the dough for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, knead again for 2 minutes until smooth. Divide into equal portions and cover immediately with a damp cloth to avoid dryness. Now make cylindrical shape of all portions. And arrange them and cut equal portions. Prepare small balls and roll the lumps into flat dough balls. Keep the balls under the damp cloth. Now take one by one dough balls and roll out into 2-inch diameter round puris. Place the rolled golgappas over the baking sheet or blotting paper to avoid sticking with each other. Cover with a dry cloth. The bottom side of the rolled golgappas should be placed in oil first. Fry all puris into hot oil on medium flame. Slightly press them with back of the ladle. They will immediately puff up. Flip them and let it puff. Continue flipping and fry for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until golden brown. Take out into a strainer and avoid tissues or plate to store golgappas. Once the golgappas are completely cool, put into an airtight container and store. Enjoy the fuchka with potato mix and aromatic sweet and sour tamarind water. Don't forget to provide your valuable feedback in comment section.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will back soon with my new recipe video. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy.